A single sneeze rockets out of your nose at over 100 miles per hour, making you faster than the world's fastest land animal. That sudden blast isn't just a burst of air, it's a high-speed explosion of microscopic droplets shooting into the world around you. In slow motion, a sneeze looks like a shockwave, with thousands of droplets erupting in a chaotic cloud, spreading farther and faster than you could ever imagine. Each droplet carries germs, riding a powerful air current created by the rapid contraction of your chest and throat muscles. Your nose is literally a biological cannon. It's loaded with sensitive cells that detect invaders like dust or viruses, triggering a chain reaction that ends in one of the most explosive reflexes your body has. The next time you feel that tickle, remember, you're about to unleash a force more powerful than a sprinting cheetah, launching a microscopic storm into the air in less than a second.